A teacher is accused of having sex with one of her students at a Motel 6, allegedly on the same night as her fiance's bachelor party. 28-year-old Sarah Domries, police say, had a relationship with a 16-year-old sophomore in her class at a school not far from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. According to the criminal complaint, the two exchanged more than 1,000 text messages. While she was on her honeymoon, investigators say she also sent the teen a selfie. The school district sent this letter to parents alerting them about the now former teacher's behavior, writing, quote, "As the superintendent, I am equally frustrated and disappointed. When we hire employees, there is a level of expectation as to how they conduct themselves. We could never have expected such a flagrant disregard for not only our expectations, but society's expectations as well," end quote. Domries was charged with sexual assault. She pleaded not guilty to the felony charges. For InsideEdition.com, I'm Lee Sheps.